one popular Benin Agbero cry out say the hotel wey be say use all the sweat in money take build. I don't know where he get the money from. And I'm waiting out here. They say the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, he just wake up one day, he just carry caterpillar, come destroy him. Now no person where they talk about, now the person be Tony Kabaka. This man, this man a very action man, oh. Understand? The first time when I see him, you know, I don't want to go there, understand? But governor, you wicked, you are very, very wicked. Oh, wicked. You just wake up and you just say now your budget now to destroy person investment. Understand? My people, now very serious matter. But before I talk, I want maybe say when I watch the video. I don't say many of you don't see him before. But the get waiting I want really talk. And I make me do this video. I want me to see him. Oh yeah, essentially.
That was the scenario at Latif Hotel and Suite, situated at Ugboamagba Axis in Benin City, as the building was pulled down on the order of the state government. Residents and shop owners watched helplessly as the hotel was demolished, said to be erected on government land.
Una see my people. Una see the way just they carry caterpillar. Zua. They don't destroy house. I see, you don't see where small children, they'll just, those cartoons, they'll just build this, they'll use a rubber, they use all those rubber slippers, they build house. And then, don't be like saying, now they have to destroy. You understand? Don't be like saying, a cartoon film. You just carry person investment, just destroy like that. You understand? But then later, people consider they say no be this man fault, no be this man fault. But before then, I want to still watch the video where Tony Kabaka they talk. You understand? Before I go talk anything further, Tony Kabaka when you don't say national man when they talk, you know me, this one, just understand? I want to watch you essentially.
Una see what you cause to APC people. Wait for una. Now governor we want to destroy our house, we want to frustrate us. Now una say me we work for. We don't work now. I say we don't get us. Me I go die yo. I go die. Obaseki. Giamare. My father served in military in Nigeria. My father retired as a soldier. My father suffered for this country. I want to see where you are coming from, Obaseki. My father suffered and retired and labor for this country. My father fight a war as a soldier. You wake up, you want to come and destroy my property. You will kill. How about that? You say no, my house you want to destroy. Oh, good killer. When are they sell land? When are they do community? About that never company. Oh, good boy.
My people, Unasia, just imagine. Just imagine. You see waiting I always they talk. Now, I would say this man, Tony Kabaka, maybe do video. That's even though so now get issue for back. Understand? Now this will be already tell people. Prevention is better than cure, not be only for sex. But it still has to do with every application of life. Now, just I would say that very time now when they get this issue now, just kind of do this kind of video or call the rake. They tell and say, they wait for you, they wait for you do what you want. They can't even want to come talk say, oh good boy. Now your mate. Huh? Now if person insult your papa or your elder brother, your uncle like this, you go like we be human being at least. When somebody go, no be say apart from me they power. When somebody go hear this kind of thing, the person go like to verse. And when you want even cause her, you don't even tell her say, ah, he did this one, you do this one, this one, you just tell her say, oh, boy. You understand? At least no matter even to say me, I go still vex. But you know, risk to say you don't see what you want to do, you just go destroy your house. They say no be as body they scratch you, no be use and take scratch. If body they scratch you, you just rub as small, it will go. But you can't use and take scratch at the end, you can't become swear. Then you can't find solution to it. That be this now. And this now it don't become problem now. And now audio Edo State now, the thing don't cause trafficking. But the question now be say, Obaseki, no let Tony Kabaka hotel you see for there. Now, the strength to be Tony Kabaka now, me I won't go say to me, Tony Kabaka now, it don't add anything to your life, and at the end now, it can't become minus to your political career. At least, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to seize the house, make the house an asset or a liability. Or if you say this house now, the government, with the power of the government bestowed on me, I carry the, I seize this house. I seize this house, I make this house the orphanage home, I give this house to the widows, I give this house to this one. You understand? Now something. Or I turn this hotel to a government hospital. Now go the battle that one. Not be say you just go destroy. Now you lose a prestige, and this guy lose the house. I mean he lose the hotel. One thing in life be this. To build something, it they take many years or many months. But to destroy, it they take one day. Now, just see how the house be now. You see yourself, the hotel, a full hotel, and they just destroy. And so, how many ministers we say they just destroy one building like this? But you know how many months we go take to erect them? Huh? The question one I want to ask now, Edo State, the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, na destroying of Tony Kabaka Hotel, now he go give Benin steady light. Now he go give the youth, the graduate of Benin, or all the youth job opportunity. Huh? Now he go develop Benin City. You don't see better thing what you want to do. Now to just go to destroy person in house, not just be your problem. You know, it's very bad. It's very bad. But before I go, my people, I see now humility now we need. Just imagine you stand, you insult the governor of Edo. But you know, say I always tell people, it is better for you to be fool for 5 minutes and you go become wise forever, that you can't just stay wise for 5 minutes and you can't become a fool forever. Now just waiting those two people just do that time now. I'm not going to be fool. I'm not talking. Now parable where I make. Now just waiting those people just do now at the end now what happen? People now they insult Obaseki. People now they insult Tony Kabaka. But if you now play, no matter what, if Tony Kabaka at that very moment you just say may you become fool, just foolish yourself, just tell and say I beg no verse, I know say yes, okay, as you say na government land and I build that, I beg no verse, I what I want to do, I will compensate the government, I will do this one, maybe the man, but as you go don't they know you they wise, you know they talk, no people they clap, hey bravo, yeah, people don't start, you just they shout. You can't even tell us a good boy. Even all this one, even say Governor Obaseki, even take video, can't even the cost. No. The actual way just to destroy the that destroying the house now, it can't become a havoc to the city. My people, now humility we need. Humble yourself, irrespective of the position where you find yourself. Humble yourself. And this thing now, it happen to most of our youth today. Anybody will want help, they don't feel happy. Okay, now as you there now, maybe even the government for free stand up to okay they fight for you. How they want to stand up, they fight for you with all this kind of rake. And most of us today now, most of us say now we be number 5, we go to say we be number 6. We be number 4, we go to say we be number 7. Where we not do they put ourselves. You never reach anywhere. You don't let people know say you are this, you are this, you are this, you are this. A person's character is revealed by what he or she does when no one is watching. You humble yourself. Everything no be gra. If you humble yourself, God go lift you. But you can't lift yourself, or God will bring you down and see what just happened at the end. Now, listen now. Instead now, just imagine now. Instead of me to just come in, I couldn't talk about money. I want to make money now. I couldn't talk about all those kind of stories where don't make sense. Why? Because at the very first time, no humility. Understand? I beg, may we respect ourselves. Understand? Most of people now, just because once you just enter power, or they just carry people from one corner, so they lead this motto, they lead this one. You don't automatically be in power. You feel even insult the president. You feel even insult your mate. No, now respect what they talk about. If you respect, I respect you. That is why I always they talk one thing. If you respect someone, God will even respect you. How? God respects human beings. That is why God respects you. Anything you tell and say, this is what I want. Father, also no blah. This is what I want. So, yeah, my son, I will give you because you respect me. I will still respect you. But if you don't get respect, if you not humble, you understand? I always make Jesus say, if you are ashamed of me, I will also be ashamed of you. Which means, if you respect me, I will also respect you. You understand? Where we not below, they put ourselves. Now we define problem. Every social media they talk about Tony Kabaka and Godino Baseki. Where we say I never even chop. You understand? I beg my people. Now humility they talk about. Now respect each other. Respect each other. I don't know how too often I want to do it, but Godino Baseki, you were very wrong. You are very wrong. When we say just carry person hotel, just go to destroy them. And at the end now, you know add anything to your power. You know add anything to your akma. You know add anything to even your the glass way they deceive. I'm sorry. Understand? I beg now respect. Anthony Kabaka no be so. No be so. I not say you get more power. That power you can not mean say you want to use that they intimidate the people. More usually or Baseki. Governor. No be so now, governor. You know see development what you want just do now, just to carry tractor, just go to destroy people's house, demolish people's house. My people, I beg. This one Agbon's Gospel. I'm gonna subscribe to Agbon's TV for you to abeg. Mona subscribe, mona like, mona comment. So if I see una comment, it go they encourage me. So if I know they improve, it go make me they improve. And mona help me share. Thank you very much. I bet more go to the next story.